Survey Junkie, your side hustle starts now. Yo, fellas, need some extra cash? Like, enough for a weekend getaway or a new pair of sneakers? Survey Junkie might be your new best friend. This website lets you make money by sharing your opinion. Yep, you heard that right. Companies actually want to know what you think, and they're willing to pay for it. Think of it like this. You're chilling on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and bam! You answer a few questions about your favorite snacks or that new video game everyone's talking about, and boom, money in your pocket. No, seriously, it's that simple. Now I know what you're thinking. Trevor, this sounds too good to be true, and hey, I get it. But trust me on this one, Survey Junkie is legit. They've got millions of users and they've been featured on major news outlets. They're not here to play games, my friend. They're here to help you stack that paper. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and see how you can start earning with Survey Junkie today. Alright, let's break this down Barney style. Signing up for Survey Junkie is easier than remembering your own birthday, hopefully. Just head over to their website and look for the sign up button. You can't miss it. It's like a beacon of financial freedom. Next, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's not like filling out a tax return. Just give them some basic info, like your name, email address, and zip code. And for the love of all that is holy, use a real email address. That's where they'll send you all the sweet, sweet survey invites. Once you're all signed up, you'll need to complete your profile. This is important, people. This is how Survey Junkie matches you with surveys that are relevant to your interests. So, be honest and thorough. The more information you provide, the more surveys you'll get. And that's it. You're in. Welcome to the world of paid surveys, my friend. Get ready to share your opinion and get paid for it. Okay, so you're signed up and ready to roll. But how do you make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck? Or rather, click for your cash. Don't worry, I got you. Here are some strategies to maximize your Survey Junkie earnings. First things first, check your email regularly, like religiously. Survey invites can expire, so you gotta be quick on the draw. You snooze, you lose, my friend. Second, be honest and consistent with your answers. Survey Junkie has ways of weeding out people who are just trying to game the system. So keep it real, answer truthfully, and you'll be golden. Third, don't be afraid to try different types of surveys. Survey Junkie offers a variety of surveys from short and sweet to longer and more in-depth. The more types of surveys you take, the more opportunities you'll have to earn. And finally, be patient. It takes time to build up your earnings. Don't expect to get rich overnight. But if you're consistent and put in the effort, you'll start to see those dollars add up. Section 4, Pro Tips, Secrets from a Survey Ninja. Alright, now that you've got the basics down, let's take it to the next level. Here are some pro tips to help you become a Survey Junkie ninja. Set aside dedicated survey time. Whether it's 30 minutes in the morning or an hour after work, having a set time for surveys will help you stay consistent and maximize your earnings. Take surveys on multiple devices. Got a laptop, tablet, and smartphone? Use them all. The more devices you use, the more surveys you'll have access to. Refer your friends. Survey Junkie has a referral program that lets you earn money for every friend you refer who signs up and starts taking surveys. It's a win-win. Join Survey Junkie Pulse. This is a program that allows you to earn passive income by sharing your browsing data. It's a no-brainer. Cash out strategically. Survey Junkie offers a variety of payout options, including PayPal, gift cards, and bank transfers. Choose the option that works best for you and cash out when it makes the most sense for your financial goals. Section 5. Keeping it real, how much dough can you make? Okay, let's talk turkey. How much money can you realistically make with Survey Junkie? Now, I'm not gonna lie to you and say you'll be swimming in cash like Scrooge McDuck. Survey Junkie is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate way to earn some extra cash on the side. The amount you can earn varies depending on factors like your demographics, the number of surveys you qualify for, and the time you dedicate to it. Some surveys pay a few cents, while others can pay a few dollars. It all adds up, my friend. The key is to be realistic with your expectations. Don't expect to quit your day job just yet. But if you're consistent and put in the effort, you can definitely earn a decent chunk of change each month. Think of it as a way to supplement your income, pay a few bills, or treat yourself to something nice. Section 6, Game On, time to cash in. So there you have it, my friend, the lowdown on how to make money with Survey Junkie. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. No more excuses, it's time to take action. Head over to Survey Junkie, sign up, and start sharing your opinion. You'll be surprised at how much money you can make just by voicing your thoughts. And who knows, you might even have some fun along the way. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start earning.